1 Hour English School.
Learn English as a skill.
The semicolon. Rules of semicolons. This is useful in longer sentences if you want to present several ideas which, though separate, might properly belong in one sentence. You could wait for him here. On the other hand, I could wait in your place. This would save your valuable time. Use a semicolon to join two sentences when the second sentence begins with a transitional word or phrase, also known as a conjunctive adverb. Our appetite for new cars, the latest style of jeans, and a new brand of hairspray keeps growing, therefore, our economy keeps growing. Use a semicolon to link two independent clauses. To give a good party, you must consider the lighting. No one feels comfortable under the bright glare of fluorescent. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe 1 Hour English School. Like, comment, and share.